Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you an issue where of course you might have a problem wherein your Android recovery, as you can see here, I'm in Android recovery. You might run into an issue where you can't read some of the screen due to the fact that it's in another language. Alright, so this tutorial will show you to translate the screen from that secondary language and to know what the screen is saying. So of course I ran into this issue where of course the screen itself here is in English. Check this out guys. If I go down to here and let's say I want to wipe data and factory reset and I select, notice it's English, but of course as soon as I reach here you'll notice that it has switched to Spanish. So the screen is in another language. It might be Spanish, I think, I'm not sure, doesn't really matter. But as you can see here, let's say it's even another screen, it would be hard to know what to do and you don't want to do the wrong thing, especially if directions have been given. So to be sure, you can use this method. All right, so you're gonna get another device. It can be another phone or of course anything you have around, such as a tablet. Here I have a tablet. You're gonna download Google Translate. So go ahead and get Google Translate. All right, so we're gonna launch Google Translate. All right, and once you have Google Translate, we're gonna go to the camera. All right, so the idea we want to use is Google Lens. Sorry. All right, so what you want to do is use Google Lens. So I can demonstrate on this. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna select the language. So it's gonna be top, and we're gonna use detect language. All right, and of course we're gonna change to, and we want it to translate it to English. All right, so we're going to change to English. So we're going to select English. All right, so language English. All right, so the trick here now guys is to go ahead and select camera, which is Google Lens. So go ahead and select camera. For some reason this tablet is not allowing me to select lens, but most phones will. Right, notice it's saying lens is not available. All right, so although lens is not available on this one, I'm just showing you that even if lens is not available, you're going to tap on if it's on your phone, go ahead and tap lens, point it at the phone, and it should translate. However, in this case there's still hope. You can go to the enter text and you're going to spell out what you see here over here and it will translate it for you. So I'm going to do that quickly just to show you it works. All right, so seeing that I set it to detect the language automatically and translate it to English, it has done it for me. So you notice that is the text, and here it is over here. It says restore factory configuration. All right, so that's the option that says restore factory configuration. So I can use this and know that, oh, this is the correct option. I can go ahead and move down and select that to wipe the device. So you see it does help. So this is very useful. And of course, if you had the lens feature, it would be even better, as you'd have to point it at the screen and it will easily do it. Forgive me, this is the only extra device I have to demonstrate this. So as you can see here, you can easily translate the screen to English. With lens, it will simply translate in real time and convert the text over. So I do hope this guide was helpful, helping you guys out, especially with the lens. I do highly recommend that you use the lens unless the lens is not available, in which case you use a secondary method of typing. All right, so do hope this tip was useful, and of course this can really help you navigate around this screen. All right, so see you in the next one guys. Bye.